Hey guys, I'm Horace. Welcome to another Yeastar Workplace Tech Talk. We both know that access control system is commonly used to manage the entry of your building, office spaces, and more. Yeastar meeting room booking system now supports the integration with your existing access control system to enhance your meeting room booking experience. Through modern and advanced technology, you can improve the safety and efficiency of your meeting. Actually, in today's video, we will show you how to integrate Yeastar meeting room booking system with your existing access control system and how they work. We will take this whole set of devices as an example, but theoretically, you can integrate Yeastar meeting room booking system with any system that supports DIDO relay control. Here's what we got today. Your existing access control devices, a Yeastar room display, a power relay module, and the Yeastar Workplace management portal. So firstly, let's connect all those devices physically. And we need to configure the related settings to make them work. So step 1, make sure your access control system is well connected. If you need help with it, you can turn to your provider. For Yeastar side, we provide a power relay module, which is an electrical switch that is operated by an electromagnet. So when activated, the electromagnet pulls to either open or close an electrical circuit. In this way, you can control the access to your door. It also protects the damage to the room display from oversized electric current. Next, use a new line to connect the NO terminal of the power relay module with the GND port of the power supply control. And use a lifeline to connect the COM terminal of the power reply module with the PUSH port of the power supply control. Next part, let's just connect the cable that comes with the power relay module with the serial port of Yeastar room display. So the hardware connection is all set. It's about the time for us to jump into the Yeastar Workplace management portal and start the configurations. Sign in to your Yeastar Workplace account and then switch to the management portal. Here, you can find meeting room in the navigation bar and then click Room Preferences. Scroll down, you will see Access Control Settings. First of all, we can allow rooms to enable access control. It means that you can choose to enable the access control feature of a specific meeting room or not separately. And the access control allow list is like the white list of your access control feature. The people you selected from the drop-down list will have the permission to open the door at any time. Stay open when room is in use is enabled by the default setting. It means they don't have to check in multiple times. So after the first check-in, the participants, they can enter the meeting room freely. And the last one, stay open when room display is offline. It can prevent from some special situations like your room display just lost network connection. In this case, people are still able to enter the meeting room. Now, let's just click Save. Well, we can find out together because I just got the devices here. So let me do the facial recognition here first. Now you guys can see that the door is opened. Well, I guess through the integration with your access control system, the safety and privacy of your meeting rooms are strengthened. I guess that's the introduction of the access control feature of Yeastar meeting room booking system. Please feel free to contact us if you have any further question, or you can click here to start your free trial today. Of course, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and I believe I will see you guys in the next one. real soon.